Here at Start Safety, we stock a wide variety of safety equipment. So that ranges from the smallest of things, from masks and goggles, right through to heavy barriers, matting, grids, products to keep site moving and industry moving on a day-to-day basis. We've recently expanded our business and we need more space to accommodate this stock. The items we store outside, they require a lot of space. Basically due to their nature, they're always voluminous and we have to buy them in bulk to get the best prices for our customers so that we can obviously pass that discount on. Our existing storage area is a tarmacked area. Now, when we expanded the space, we wanted it to be drainable and more ecologically friendly really, so that we're sort of doing our part for the environment and not contributing to surface water runoff and other problems associated with tarmacking. Now, the product that we looked and chose was the EcoGrid product, specifically the E50, due to its high load bearing capacity, which can accommodate forklift traffic, which obviously is how we get products on and off of the area. The EcoGrid E50 was a solid choice for us. It's made from recycled material. It's got a 50mm wall height and it has also got a very strong interlocking mechanism, which helps distribute loads of forklifts and high load point vehicles over a larger area, making sure that they don't get sunk into the surface or stuck in the mud basically. So another benefit of the E50 grid is the design, and this goes for the entire EcoGrid range pretty much, is the cellular structure of the actual grid. It doesn't have any persistent long straight lines in it, so when you have temperature fluctuations, be that hot or cold, the grids don't buckle up and push each other. They have some way to flex, which many other grids, especially cheap ones that you find on certain marketplaces, they have these long straight lines in them, which when they heat up, they buckle, they can cause all sorts of trouble. Obviously, with this being our primary storage area for overstock, we want it to be durable and have a good long lifespan. We can't afford to be pulling it back up and relaying it in 6 months, a year, however many months that may be. So as we've mentioned, we run forklifts over this area, or we will be running forklifts over this area. The forklifts in particular have a very specific problem where they have small wheels, generally speaking, and have very hard tyres, which give a really high point loading. If you compare that to a truck or a car that have big air-filled tyres, the dynamics that places onto the floor and the loading that places onto the floor are quite different. Now, the E50 is great for this application because they are interlocked, they're filled with grid, they've got a solid foundation of hardcore underneath. It distributes the load over a much larger area, so you're just avoiding the vehicles sinking into the ground, even when they're carrying heavier loads. So we've not yet put any stock onto this area, but we will be very shortly. We're still waiting for a few finishing touches to be done. But overall, the installation here has gone really well. The grid is easy to lay. It comes in pre-connected 1 metre sheets. So the guys can lay it down really, really quickly. The installers we had do the job, fantastic job, very organised, followed the guidance from the EcoGrid instruction manual to the letter, which again is something not all good grid manufacturers give you, is detailed installation instructions, how to lay the grid properly, knowing that you're going to have a decent sort of outcome of the installation. If you don't do your preparation work, it's a bit like painting, you're going to have a bad time later down the road. You might not know it straight away. The benefits of partnering with a brand like EcoGrid, you've got good customer backup. They know what they're on about. Their data sheets actually tell you how to install the stuff, as we've mentioned before. Yeah, I mean, they're just good guys to work with. If you're looking to increase storage areas at your business, or even your own driveway at home, or a path on a golf course, give us a call. We have the whole range of EcoGrid products available to buy online or over the phone. We'll happily provide guidance so that you get the right product for the job. You don't always need to go for the heaviest duty grid. You can actually go for some like the E30, which is a much smaller grid, save yourself some money, and it will be plenty durable and hard wearing enough for most applications.